To factory reset your Sonos Ace, you will need to first power it on. So use that button over here. Once it's turned on, we can start the reset. This one is a bit complicated. You will need a USB-C cable connected to an adapter, and then you press and hold this button, but immediately connect this cable. So let's go, press and hold, connect, and when it will blink after around 7 seconds, white for a couple of times, we will be able to disconnect the cable and then, like this, disconnect the cable and then remove your finger from the button. And now we have done the factory reset. This one will remove every Bluetooth connection, will delete all settings, and will disconnect it from your Sonos account. So I hope this was helpful.